Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take computer class for class 3 students. Our today's topic, Chapter 9, Internet Discussions. My dear students, I would like to inform you that your annual examinations questions will be set according to the online classes. So you have to follow the online classes very carefully. So let's go. Let's see class 3 subject computer, topic chapter 9, internet discussion, lecture 4, term annual. Today your SW will be 3, teacher Ariful Islam, mobile, and this is my messenger ID. So my dear students, open your book, take your book, go to page number 60, open your book, computer book, and go to page number 60. Listen very carefully. When you are watching this video, take a book with you, okay? So let's start the class. So chapter 9, internet, lesson objectives. List a few things that computers connected to the internet can do. Enter an email address in the address box of Outlook, type a short email or send the email. Go to a site by entering its address in the address box of a browser. This is the lesson objectives. So what is internet? Very important question. A group of connected computers is called a network. This line is very important. Underline in your book. A group of connected computers is called network. Next one, a group of connected computers is called network. Internet is also a network of computers. This is also important. Internet is also a network of computers. It is a big network that connects computers in all countries. Okay. So the question comes, which connects computers in all countries? This is internet. This is important. So over the internet, these computers can send and receive music, messages, and pictures to each other because they are connected. So internet is a worldwide network of computers. Okay. For example, a computer in Delhi can send a message to another computer in Delhi or Kolkata. A computer in Mumbai can send a picture to a computer in USA. A computer in England can look up information from a computer in Australia. So this is example. Okay. We can move to next page. Over the internet, one computer can send messages to another computer because they are connected. These messages are called emails. So this line is very important. Over the internet, one computer can send messages to another computer because they are connected, and these messages are called emails. Look, Nishan is sending a message to Amita. Mr. Nishan and Amita. Nishan is sending a message, I want to play with you. And Amita is also sending a message, I want to play with you. Okay. So next one, sending emails. Send a message to your parents. You may take the help of your teachers for this activity. How can you send a message to anyone? First you go to click option, then click, type the email address of your parent as shown in the screen. Type the following message: Dear mom and dad, I love you, Winnem. And click the send button as shown in the screen 2. Can you please come here in this box? First you have to go to email www.gmail.com. Then you will find this box. In 2 you will write the email address. You are sending the email to whom. CC means carbon copy. Subject. And then you will write the messages, what you want to write. Then after writing this message, you will press this, enter this send copy, and your email will be sent. So Here this one very important is this one. How you can send an email. All program first, go all program, then email, then address, write message and send. From here this one is very important for MCQ. All program, email, address, write message and send. Next one, I have discussed this in 2 also, how you can send. Now, what can a computer do over the internet? Over the internet, one computer can play songs and watch cartoon films for another computer. So Deepok is playing a song over the internet, and you can share these songs and cartoons from other computers. Okay, next one, please come here. Look at the pictures. Jyoti is watching a cartoon film over the internet. Okay. So last one, connecting to another computer over the internet. Every one of us is recognized by a name. When your teacher calls you by your name, you respond. Similarly, each computer on the internet is also recognized by a name. This name is known as address. So every computer has an address. To get connected to a computer on the internet, you have to type the address of the computer. Your teacher will provide you the address of a computer. Let us get connected to a computer over the internet. You may have to get help from your teachers. First go to click, then Internet Explorer. Click the box as shown in screen 3. To type an address, always use lowercase letters. Type the address of the computer given by your teacher. Press the enter key on the keyboard. You will now be connected to a computer over the internet. Move to the mouse pointer. This is called mouse pointer. On the screen, it may change to a pointing hand. Pointing hand at some places. This means a connection has been found. From this portion, what is an address? This is very important for exam. Okay. Next one. The pointing hand always means a connection. If you click now, your computer will get connected somewhere else. If you click now, your computer pointing hand always means a connections. If you click now, your computer will get connected somewhere else. So be very careful. Now click on the black button and to go back. If you want to go back, you have to click the black button. So last one, very important points to remember. A group of connected computers is called a network. Very, very important for your exam. The internet connects computers in all countries. Which connects all computers in all countries? Internet. Next one, each computer has an address. So each computer has a dash, each computer has an address. To get connected with a computer over the internet, start Internet Explorer, type the address of the computer and strike enter key. Over the internet, one computer can look up information, watch cartoon, play music and games, and send messages to another computer. This is very important. Over the internet, one computer can look up information, watch cartoons, play music and games, and send messages to another computers. Points to remember, this portion is very, very important for exam. Okay. So this is our lesson today, chapter 9. Please go to our homework today. But before go to the homework, I want to give you a corrections. Lecture 3, SW2, submit on Sunday. There is a mistake. Chapter 5 MCQ, directional logo. The mistake is, this will not be chapter 5. This will be chapter 8. Please, my dear students, do corrections. Those who have sent the SW copy, I have given them corrections. You are doing this SW now. Those who haven't done it, please do the correction. It will be chapter 8 MCQ, directional logo. Today's MCQ, today's homework. Do please come here. Homework, annual term, lecture 4, homework 3. Submit on Sunday. Chapter 9. This is chapter 9, internet, 5 MCQ. Number 1. Which connects all computers in all countries? Internet, email, Internet Explorer, icon. Number 2. Sending of email process is all program, email address, write message and send, all program, address, write message, send email, all program, write message, address, send email, all program, email, write message, send an address. Number 3, a group of connected computers is called internet, ICOM, email, network, by which one can look up information, watch cartoons, etc. from one computer to another computer. Number A, mobile phone, B, internet, C, fax, and this will be number D. Please do the correction. C and number D will be television. Number 5, last one. Over the internet, one computer can send messages to another computer. These messages are called, what is called these messages? SMS, Bing, email, all of this. So this is your homework, my dear students. And last one, why this homework is very important? Please come to this portion. This homework is very important because you city mark 10, SBA 10, diary 5. So we have total 25 marks. We have total 25 marks. And look at here, 25 marks. We are giving each SW 2.5 marks. We will give you 10 SW. And please multiply 10, 2.5, we will get 25. So if you don't submit your SW, you will not get 2.5 mark in each SW. So my dear students, do your SNSW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. in the school library. You will also collect those copies on Sunday within 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. SW is very important. Why? Because we are giving SB city and diary mark on the basis of the submission of the SW. We are giving 2.5 marks in your SW. So thanks my dear students watching this video. Keep practicing at home. Keep practicing regularly. About your parents. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.